Alright, let me ask you something real quick. What if you could take just one single photo, and in a few seconds, turn it into a fully animated video with motion and sound? Almost like a real movie scene. Sounds kinda crazy, right? But here's the thing. In this video, I'm gonna show you exactly how to do it for free. And not just that. If you stick around till the end, I'll show you a simple trick to basically create unlimited AI videos every single day. If you're into AI tools that save you time and can actually help you make money online, make sure you hit that subscribe button on JACKY AI Flow right now. And seriously, don't skip any part of this video, because one small detail could be the difference between May results and something really powerful. Alright, take a look at my screen. Everything you're seeing here, all these videos, all these images, I created them using AI. Let me ask you, have you ever wanted to start making videos but you didn't know what to film? No camera, no actors, no setup? Yeah, same here. But the good news is, you don't need any of that anymore. This tool I'm using can turn images into videos, generate videos from text, edit and enhance images with AI, all in one place. And yep, no watermark. Honestly, this is perfect if you're creating YouTube shorts, posting on TikTok, or building a faceless channel to make money. And the best part? It's super beginner-friendly. You don't need any editing skills at all. So let me walk you through this step by step. Step 1. Create your account. Just click the link in the description below and it'll take you to the platform. Once you're there, click Login. Choose your preferred sign-in method, Google, email, etc. After logging in, you'll land on a dashboard like this. If it's your first time, you'll get some free credits to start testing things out, more than enough to create a few videos. Now, let's get into the fun part, turning an image into a video. Follow along with me. Click New Project. You'll see a few modes. Go ahead and choose Workflow. It gives you more control. Once you're inside the workspace, you might see a default template. Just delete everything so we can start clean. Then, click the plus button, select Image to Video. Drag it onto the canvas. Now upload any image you want. Here's where things get interesting. The prompt. For example, you could use something like a super cute fluffy cat wearing sunglasses and a hoodie, sitting in a neon-lit gaming room, colorful RGB lights, adorable expression, ultra-detailed fur, cinematic lighting, 8K, highly realistic. Then, choose your model. Set the duration, like 5 to 8 seconds. Pick your resolution and hit run. And just like that, your video is ready in seconds. You literally went from a static image to something that moves, feels alive, and looks incredibly real. It's kind of mind-blowing when you see it for the first time. You can download your video right here. Quick tip: the more detailed your prompt is, like adding emotion, lighting, camera angles, the better your result will be. Have you ever tried AI video tools where the motion feels kind of fake? This one actually handles movement pretty smoothly. Now you might be thinking, wait, if this is free, there has to be a limit, right? Yeah, there is. But there's also a very simple workaround. Here's what you can do. Open an incognito window. Create a new account using a temporary email. Use an invite code. Each time you do this, you'll get extra credits. If you create a couple of accounts, you can easily generate dozens of videos per day. Alright, next up, text to video. Here's how it works. Click the plus button. Select text to video. Drag it onto the canvas, then type your prompt. Pick your model, set duration, enable sound if you want, choose 16 to 9, and hit run. The result you get honestly looks like a professional ad. Think about it. This used to require a full production team. Now it's just a few lines of text. Finally, text to image. This is super useful if you want to generate images first, then turn them into videos. New project, workflow. Click plus. Choose text to image. Enter your prompt. Then, choose your model. Set resolution. You can go up to 4K. Pick your aspect ratio. Hit run, and you'll get a high-quality image that matches your description. From here, you can edit the image or turn it directly into a video. Everything happens inside the same workflow, which makes it super convenient. So yeah, to wrap this up, with this tool you can create videos from images, videos from text, high-quality AI images, and if you know how to maximize your credits, you can pretty much use it for free long-term. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like the video, subscribe to JACKY AI Flow, and drop a comment below if you want more videos about making money with AI. I read every single comment. And remember this, if I can do it, trust me, you can too, and you might even do it better. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.